Hello, good morning. I am Rashi Sandip Chudewal. Today's our topic that we will discuss that is methods of string. So in today's video, first we will see what is string and there how we declare string, and then we will see the methods that we used in the string. In Java, string is basically an object that represents the sequence of char values. An array of characters works same as Java string. For example, we can see that one example that is char array ch in curly braces Java. Okay, and then next that is string s is a variable equals to new string in parameter ch, or is same as string we declare s and equals to in double quotes Java. Now the Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operations on strings such as compare, concatenate, equal, split, length, replace, compare to, intent, substring, trim, etc. There are many methods. The java.lang.string class implements serializable, comparable, and char sequence interfaces. So, the char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of characters string, string buffer, and string builder classes implement it. It means we can create strings in Java by using these three classes. Okay, so the Java string is immutable, which it means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created. For mutable strings, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. We will discuss immutable string later. So let us first understand what string in Java is and how to create the string object. Okay, so the general we will next point that is what is string in Java. Generally, string is a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. The java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. The next point that we will discuss that is how to create a string object. There are the two ways to create a string object. First is by literal and the second one is by new keyword. So first, string literal. Java string literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string s equals to double quotes welcome. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is returned. If the string does not exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. For example, we can say a string s1 equals to double quotes welcome, and another example, another that is string s2. There we have taken a variable s1 and s2 equals to double quotes welcome. It does not create a new instance. Now, in above example, we have seen that only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM will not find any string object with the value or double quotes welcome in the string constant pool. That is why it will create a new object. After that, it will find the string with the value double quotes welcome in the pool. It will not create a new object, but it will return the reference to the same instance. Now, by new keyword means string s equals to new string in parameters that we will see double quotes welcome. So, it means creates two objects and one reference variable. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in a normal, or we can say as non-pool heap memory, and the literal double quotes welcome will be placed in the string constant pool. The variable s will refer to the object in a heap, means non-pool. Now we will see the method that we used in this string. Okay, the java.lang.string class provides many useful methods to perform operations on a sequence of char values. First is char at and parameters int index returns char value for the particular index. Next, that is int length method. It returns the string of length. And third one, that is string format, and in parameters string format and object arguments returns a formatted string. Now the next method, that is substring. In parameters int beginning index return substring for a given index. And the next, that is substring in parameters int int n index. The returns substring for given index and the end of index. Now next method, that is contains. In parameters char sequence s returns true or false after matching the sequence of char value. The next, that is equals method. In parameters object another checks the equality of the string with the given object. And there is an isEmpty method, checks if the string is empty or not. And there is another method, that is concat. In that parameters string str concates the specified string. And there is replace method also. In parameters char old and char new, the replace of all occurrence of the specified char values. There is ignore equals ignore case method. In that string another parameter string another compares another string, it does not check cases. And there is a split method. In parameter string string regs returns a split string matching regs. Now there is an intend method, returns an intend string. And there is an index of. In parameters int ch returns the specified char value index. Now there is two lowercase method, returns a string in a lowercase. And there is also a two uppercase method, returns a string in a uppercase. And there is a trim method, removes a beginning and the ending spaces of the string. Thank you.